Tacos aren't just for Tuesdays anymore! Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you how to upgrade your taco tradition with a healthy and unique spin on this dish that's muy popular: fish tacos with apple slaw. Let's start with the slaw. Take one large Honeycrisp apple, remove the core, and cut it into thin sticks. Place these in a medium-sized bowl. Next, add 3/4 cup of loosely packed fresh cilantro leaves, 1 thinly sliced shallot, 1 teaspoon of lime zest, and 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. Then, set the bowl aside. That's slaw there is to it. Now it's time to kick up the flavor. In a small bowl, combine 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of ground coriander, and a 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. Pat your Alaskan cod fillets dry and sprinkle both sides with the mixture. Fish is filled to the gills with lean protein and heart-healthy omega-3s. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of Gustare Vita olive oil in a large cast iron skillet over medium-high heat. Cook the coated fish for 10 to 14 minutes, turning halfway through. Don't worry if they fall apart in the pan. Flake the fish into large chunks and set them aside. Wipe the skillet clean and bring it back up to heat. In a clean pan, toast each white corn tortilla for 4 to 6 minutes or until slightly charred, turning halfway through. To serve, top the toasted tortillas with the crispy cod, the zesty apple slaw, and a guacamole salsa. Garnish with more cilantro for an extra flavor kick with lime wedges on the side. Delicioso! That's all there is to it. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. And for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, visit our new Hy-Vee Health page on Facebook or Instagram today.